Did you know that each bear market gives us the opportunity to invest and make profit in a very shorter duration? It is quite evident with the historical price action. If you see, this was the bear market of 2009, and then the price recovered and it gave a breakout of a rounding pattern. And see the phenomenal rise it has given. Let us calculate how much profit it has given from the bear market. So it has given a profit of nearly 346-47% till another bear market in 2020 started. So this was a phenomenal return. Then what has happened? Again, in the recent time, we had a bear market in 2022, and there was yet another rounding pattern breakout over here. So from the low of the 2022 bear market, how much return S&P 500 has given? It has given a return of phenomenal return of 69% till now. So each bear market offers a huge opportunity for investing in the market. So this is the monthly price chart of S&P 500 index. And now this index is trading at 6,114.63. So in the current month itself, it has risen by 1.23%. Let us check the historical price action. Price has taken support here. Once again, the price has taken support here. So this was the pivot of the bear market 2009. This was the pivot of bear market 2020. And this is the pivot of bear market 2022. So what does it indicate? That this rising trend line is holding good even when the bear market comes. And then what has happened post bear market of 2022? There is a little expansion in the price. And we can draw yet another trend line, which is this trend line, which is acting as a dynamic support. And if you draw the another trend line joining the pivots of resistance, this is the resistance area. So we can draw this. So currently the price is trading in this rising price channel. Considering the cyclic phenomenon in the stock market, price might go to the upper fiber of this rising price channel. Now let us calculate the target on the basis of this rounding pattern breakout. So what we can see, it has already attained the first target of 61.8% expansion level. So obviously the next possible target is 100% expansion with respect to this rounding bottom pattern. And that arrives at around 6,400 to 6,450 level. Now we can arrive the target in multiple ways. Let us calculate the target in other ways. If I just draw a bullish flag over here, this was the breakout of a bullish flag. We can make a little adjustment. And if we calculate the target considering the prior impulsive wave and project the target from the point of breakout, so the next target comes phenomenally high, which is 7,200. We do not know whether the target will get attained or not, but market is all about calculating the target, calculating the risk to reward ratio. And if the risk to reward ratio is favorable, it is a time for opportunity to invest in the market. Now let us go to the weekly price chart. If we look at the weekly price chart, the last week that ended on 14th of February, the S&P 500 was bullish by 1.47%. And what we can see over here, multiple days, it has gapped down, but the recovery has come. What does it mean? The bulls are quite well in control in this market. Can we draw another chart pattern? So I'm drawing here another chart pattern. This is the breakout of a bullish flag. So if I project the target on the basis of bullish flag pattern, so I measure the height of the pole and project the target from the point of breakout. So the next potential target comes at 6,300 and then 100% expansion comes at 6,590. So overall trend is extremely bullish in S&P 500 index. What further we can observe? Each time the correction is happening, it is taking support at EMA 21. It has done it here. It has done it here. So EMA 21 in weekly chart is acting as a dynamic support. And that gives us opportunity to initiate the short-term trading even. Let us go to the daily price chart. This is the daily price chart. What we can see here, can we draw some more price pattern? So let us draw some more price pattern. I am drawing, this is the resistance area. What we can see, can you find yet another bullish flag breakout in the last week? And this is the well-defined pole. So if I calculate the target on the basis of this bullish flag, so let us measure the height of the pole and project the target from the breakout point. So the next target comes at 6,225 and then 6,350. What I'm trying to show you, that the targets is always notional. Target depends upon the perspective of a trader. If he's a positional trader, he will take a different view. If he's a short-term trader, he will take a different view. If I draw a horizontal line, I'm drawing here an horizontal line. This is the horizontal line. Can we see? This is a breakout of a continuation chart pattern. So we can calculate by measuring the depth of this continuation chart pattern, which is called cup and handle chart pattern, and project the target according to the depth of this particular chart pattern. So overall trend is bullish in S&P 500. Now let us go and check the Nasdaq 100 index. Let us first go to the monthly price chart. Even in this index that represents the tech stocks in the US stock market, this trend line which I have drawn is valid since 2015. Price has taken support here. Once again, price has taken support here. Price has taken support here. Price has taken support here. Once again, the price has taken support here. What does it indicate? This trend line has a multiple touch points. So this trend line is a valid dynamic support. And this is almost coinciding with EMA 55. What has happened? Here, if you can see, there is a breakout of a rounding pattern. This is a breakout of a rounding pattern, which is nothing but cup and handle pattern in a larger time frame, considering the prior impulsive wave. So if I project the target on the basis of this chart pattern, what target arrives at? It has already attained the first target over here. Then the price consolidated for several months. And then again, there is a breakout of that consolidation band. So the next potential target would be 100% expansion with respect to rounding bottom chart pattern that arrives at 24,350. So this is all about the market, which is looking very, very good. US market is extremely bullish. Let us go to the weekly price chart to understand the further price action. What we can see, whenever the price is correcting, it is taking support at EMA 55. It has done it here. It has done it here. But whenever there is a shallow correction, price takes support at EMA 21. So EMA 21 and EMA 55 thus becomes a very good reference for short-term trading. What we can see here, if I draw a horizontal line, this horizontal line will indicate some kind of continuation chart pattern. Here there was a breakout of a cup and handle chart pattern. There was a breakout. Then there was a throwback phenomenon where the price took support on this neckline. And again, we can see multiple gap down opening even in Nasdaq 100. And each time the gap down opening was bought. What does it mean? That the bulls are well under control. In the last week that ended on 14th of February, Nasdaq 100 is at 22,114.69, and hence it was bullish by 2.9% on week-on-week basis and thus outperformed the S&P 500 index. Now, if I calculate the target on the basis of this continuation chart pattern, that what we have discussed just now, what will be the target? Let us measure the height of this pattern and project it upside. So next immediate target could be to 22,780, which is a 61.8% expansion level. And then next potential target would be 24,230. These targets are quite notional. Even here we can draw some kind of trend line. Let me draw and show you. This is the trend line. Can you see this trend line is valid and which has a multiple touch point? Price has taken support here. Price has taken support here. Price has taken support here. So this trend line can help you to manage your risk for short-term trading. Let us go to daily price chart. What we can see, Each time the price is correcting, price is respecting EMA 55. Price is respecting EMA 55. Can we draw some trend line over here? So I am drawing this counter trend line. Please watch it carefully. Was it a resistance? Price got rejected here. Price got rejected here. Price got rejected here. So another trend line can be drawn here. Let me draw another trend line. So this is the another trend line. So there is a breakout of a symmetrical triangle over here. And the base of this symmetrical triangle is beautiful, almost vertical. So such bases, which are well-defined bases of a triangular chart pattern, always has a greater chances of success. So this can be considered a symmetrical chart pattern, which is a bilateral chart pattern, or this could be considered as a bullish flag breakout as well. So overall trend is extremely bullish even in Nasdaq 100, showing that the bulls are well under control. So how did you like this analysis? I'll be waiting for the comments in the comment section of this video. So friends, don't forget to like this video, subscribe the channel, don't forget to share the video, hit the notification bell. Thank you very much for watching. Looking forward to meet you very, very soon.